Hey everyone, Chang here and welcome to my channel. This is the practice problem video series where we pick a problem that either highlights a math concept very well or one that you would normally see in a standardized test environment. Then we break it down and solve it. Let's begin. For today's video, we have this problem. This is one of those sneaky problems. They include extra information that you don't really need, and then they exclude information that you might actually need or might have made this problem a little easier. Now, let's look at this really quickly. All right, so we have a triangle right here, but this extends a little more. We know that here is 72 degrees, we have 9, 9, and this little segment is 3. We're trying to find x degree, or what degree the value of x is. In this case, what we have is, well, what can we do, right? Because it's 72 degrees, we have no, if we had this one, great, we're done. If we had this one, maybe it would be helpful. But here's the key. The key to this particular problem is these two numbers right here, ignoring the 3. The 3 is extra information just there to confuse you. You have 9 and 9. That means this is an isosceles triangle. Both sides are the same. Now, that means that if you were to look at these two angles, like you cut it in half, these two angles, these are exactly the same. So what do we know about that? That means that 72 plus some angle is 180. Well, let's just call this y. Let's just do y, and this is the same thing, y degrees. So we have 180 equals 72 plus 2y. All right, there's two of them. All right, well, we can start solving this. What do we have? If we minus 72 on both sides, just to get rid of that number first, we have 108. Let's see, 108 equals 2y. All right, cool. And then we can divide by 2 on both sides. So y equals 54. Right? But that's not what we're looking for. Remember, we're looking for x. Y just helps us because here we have 54 degrees and here we have 54 degrees as well. All right, cool. Now, this is here we have a straight angle, right? Because we have 54 and x is a straight line, straight angle. So that means 180 minus 54 is going to give us x. So let's just say that x equals 180 minus 54. What is that? Well, let's see. When we have x equals 180 minus 54, that is 126 degrees, I believe. And that will be your answer. Now, I took the long way on purpose, right? I broke it down. I used y and tried to figure out what it is. We figure out that y is the same on both sides and then solve for x. Now, there is a property or a theorem in geometry that basically lets you know that when you have something like this right here, the angle on the exterior of the triangle, whatever you want to call it, it's always going to be the sum of these two angles, right? That's just a property in geometry that if you memorize and you have this in a standardized test, then just go for it. Plug it in, don't go through all this. But this is a situation where if you don't remember or forgot there is such a property, then going through this will still help you solve the problem. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.